So, I'm going to try and make my own beer. I'm going to brew it over the next month. So in about a month's time, we'll have 48 pints of Compost Corner Ale. But before we start, we've got to sanitize and sterilize all the equipment. And that's going to take about 20 minutes. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay, so sterilization is complete, and now it's time to mix up our ingredients. So we got the beer, the malt, and that's got to be mixed up with 5 litres of warm water, and then we mix it up to 23 litres of cold water, and the temperature's got to be 20 degrees or just over. So let's start mixing up our ingredients. And this is the malt going in. Look at that. It's yummy, yummy. Smells lovely as well. So we mix all that up to 23 litres and we'll see you later. Okay, so you caught me stirring all the ingredients. As I've never done this before, I've made a few mistakes. So we've already broke the hydrometer, and the mix was a bit of a higher temperature than what I would have liked. But hey ho. So now we've got to ferment this for 48 hours. So I'll see you in 48 hours. Okay, so I said 48 hours for fermenting, but in fact it was really 10 days. So after 5 days we put the hops in, and now it's time to do some siphoning. So all the sediment and hops are in this one, and we're going to siphon it into this one where we should have just beer, hopefully, leaving all the sediment in there. So that's going to take about 20 minutes, so I'll see you in 20 minutes. Right then, siphoning's done, and now it's time for the final part, the bottling. So we've got our little bottle. Open it up, whack it underneath. One bottle of beer. $90 millimeters of primary sugar to add carbonation. Top on. Job done. Just got to leave this for 3 weeks and then it'll be drinkable. See you in 3 weeks' time.